Where's your plan? Your financial plan. Is it here? Or here? Or even here? Well, that's not a plan. This is a plan. It has your financial starting point, your financial objectives, the key strategies to get there, a precise action plan, and a projection into the future. And if you don't have those, you really don't have a plan. So what's the big deal about having a financial plan? Do you want to answer these questions? What's my current net worth? How can I spend less and invest more? How can I best use my financial assets? When can I afford to retire? And how much can I leave to my kids? If you want to know these answers and more, you need a financial plan. So how do you get one? Well, you could make your own, see an expensive financial advisor, or use a free template from the Money Matrix. And how do you get it? Well, just email us and ask for one. Now, while managing and investing money can be confusing, complicated, and sometimes overwhelming, it's a simple way to get started because it starts with what you know. And that's your income and expenses, your assets and liabilities, and your financial goals and objectives. These are the basic building blocks of your financial universe. Getting a handle on them provides the starting point for controlling your financial journey into the future. So just email us to request the first step, and you can learn more about it in our next video.